Yes, so àti mo dé fún yín ìròyìn bí election ṣe lọ ní Nigeria. Election 2023. Èyí ni 25th of February 2023 tí wọ́n di presidential election. Ẹja bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti Àjà. Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu àwọn ará Àjà. Wọ́n ní dem get juju, dem take juju pursue us. Ògùn ni wọ́n fi lé wọn lájà o. Mama, ẹ̀yin ológun ni. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè náà.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the way we're sweating. The polling unit that I was inside Aja, they came with juju, started to scuttle the whole process. They scattered the whole place. We had to run for our dear lives. Trust me, that's what happened in my own polling unit in Aja. I am distressed, I'm unhappy that in this 2023, that we're supposed to be expecting better. We're still seeing this happening. It's just unfortunate.
INEC kò be power. Oko ballot paper wa lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n try. Ṣùgbọ́n password tó máa fi dìbò, tó máa fi sign in. INEC gbàgbé ẹ̀ sílé. Nigeria will not stop to amaze me. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn ará Èkó, yá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè sà.
It don't boss again, no. INEC office, they don't come. They say they forget their passport for office. See, it don't boss again, no. They won't read this election. See, they say they forget their passport at office. See, since when we dey here, they say they forget their passport. They carry machine come, but they no carry passport for her. They say another person will carry passport for her. See, it don't boss again, no. See, every day a new pattern for this Nigeria. Every day a new pattern. Every day new pattern. It don't boss.
About last street, my for look also, this is what's happening. And this also the my for look also the gone everywhere. This is what is happening for also the.
Wàhálà YouTube ní ìjẹ́ ká lè fún yín ní sound ìbọn. Ẹ ṣáà ti ráwọn tó ń yìnbọn bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìró ìbọn ó wà ńbẹ̀. Then lẹ́yìn Lagos State. Àwọn tó ní if you no fit vote for APC, go back to your house o. Ṣé bí táyé dé dúró yìí nísìn. Dandan ni you must vote for one party, one particular party. Do we call this intimidation or what? I don't know. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe rí sí bí intimidation ni o, bí ó dẹ̀ normal o. Ẹ bá mi kọ síbẹ̀. Ó yá, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
No be vote APC for here. Go to your house. Nobody wants to vote. Go house so. If I see you vote another, I will go look at. If I see you vote another party, go enter my house. No control for here.
Vote another party.
This time where you dey, na your house. Go your house. Go your house.
Go your house. You have the audacity, the authority. I go come check am o. I go come look am o. If you vote another party, you go get problem o. Come on, ma pa àwọn èèyàn mọ́lé. APC. PDP náà ṣe tí wọ́n o. Ẹ máa ti PDP náà wò nínú fídíò yìí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ làwa mú wá. Àwa ò ṣe tẹ́nìkan. Kódà Labour Party ṣe tiẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ máa rí. Gbogbo wọn they are bed of one feather. They flock together. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Some of the polling units in Apapa are doing something exceptionally unfair, and police officers are helping, but our agents are reporting it to us. So they are making people in Apapa vote APC in the places where there's no logo for Labour Party. So they tell them that there's some kind of deal between Labour Party and APC. After they have voted for P2B with the Labour Party logo, they now have to press and vote for their APC for the other bill. So it caused a lot of rancor, and we came out here to do. But it turns out that there's actually nothing we can do other than just, record some of the I don't know, high blood pressure that people are expending here. But yeah, it's a good thing that we actually came out and noticed it, and I've been going around the Apapa communities to confirm it's quite a lot of rancor out here because of that. And the NYSC staff and the police are part of the scam, so we need to have in mind as we prepare for litigation for all these National Assembly situations. Thanks.
You want to vote, but if you don't want to vote, you can go back home. So we are
currently at my polling unit, that's IBO Housing Estates.
Right now we are currently at my polling unit, that's IBO Housing Estates, and they locked the gates. They said if you are not voting for APC, you can't come in. You can see, I tried entering. They almost broke my leg, but I had to just come out and do this video. I can see people that are outside. People are outside. They don't want to open the gate for anybody. They don't want us to vote. We are asked to go to our polling unit so early so that we can check if our name is on the list. We are here. I've been here since 7:30. They did not allow us to go in.
Very early in the morning.
Very early in the morning. People are, if you are not Yoruba, if you don't speak Yoruba to them, if you are not APC, they are not allowing anybody to enter. I've been here for over 30 minutes and nothing is happening. So we don't know what is happening in this country. God help us.
Eléyìí ni Akínyẹlé Àgùdà sọ pé ó ti lọ, wọ́n ti gbé ballot box lọ.
We are live here now. They just carried all our polling units here. They carried everything and we went there. Everything. We are here. They slashed it. When we say Aguda, local God, Aguda, Atakiele, they carried it. Atakiele. Don't carry everything. Atakiele, we are Atakiele. They carried everything right now. Everything. They carried everything and went out. They came to Europe and they carried everything. Look at it. And put some inside this thing, inside the gutter. Look at it. Carry the units, carry everything. Carry it here. We are Atakiele, Ataguda. Atakiele. They carried everything. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. They carried everything and made away with it. Look at all the officials here. We are here. They were just shooting gun. All of us lie down flat. They even beat up some people and left.
Allegedly, wọ́n ní ó wá rán àwọn èèyàn kan wá da ìbò wọn wí níbẹ̀ tó mọ̀ pé ó máa lose Governor Obaseki of PDP.
This is governor's word. Look at what governor did. If you are here a few hours before this thing arrived.
What governor just did? This is governor's word. Look at what governor did. If you are here a few hours before this thing arrived. The ward chairman were there. The local government chairman, the liaison chairman was there. The governor, look at what he did. Mr. Godwin Obaseki. This is his word. So he has refused us not to vote. This is what he did.
Scatter everything.
They have come here to scatter the full election.
Yes. That's the full. A lot of them.
They have come here to scatter the election of today. This is what the new PDP did. The new PDP. Because it knew
scatter everywhere. One for everything, for go mole. Àwọn tẹ̀dẹ̀ ń jà fún ìyàmọ́ wọn wà nílùú òyìnbó. Ẹ̀yin ṣe wèrè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ continue. Tó wọ̀ bọ́n bá báyìí. Orí yín á normal. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
àwọn
wọ́n yìnbọn wọ́n ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń jà fún àmọ́ wọ́n wà ń lo òyìnbó ó yẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
Going on, they are leaving without explaining anything to us. Can you imagine what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? They are not letting anybody vote. Enugu Sports Club 3. Everybody's here with their voter's card.
Just in front of me, like I was literally behind this container. Whether I was trying to overtake the second container in front, whether I was trying to overtake it or what, or the guy was fucking high, I don't know.
Ṣé pé àrí jù báyìí lọ ní 25th of February 2023 àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. APC ṣe wèrè, PDP ṣe wèrè, Labour Party náà sẹ́wọ̀n. Ṣé ti rí wọn? They are bird of one feather. They flocks together. Tó bá ní part 2. A tún máa mú wá fún yín Yorubawuyi lórúkọ tèmi. Orí page Yorubawuyi náà lẹ́wà. Kí ló dé lọ wo fídíò mi ní lórí page ẹlòmíì. Ẹ máa rí fídíò Yorubawuyi yarí níbì kan. Ẹ máa lọ wo ń pò mí. Why not subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get the latest updates lórí page mi fún ara mi ní gbígbóná fẹ́lifẹ́li tó ṣe ń gbóná fẹ́lifẹ́li lẹ́ máa ti rí gbà. Ní láti sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ lọ dúró kẹ́lòmíì gbé kẹ́ tó lọ wò ń bẹ. Ẹ kàn subscribe button, notification button tó bá ṣe ń lọ máa mú wá fún yín. Ẹ ṣé jàre mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín. I love you so much. Yorubawuyi ni mo ń jẹ́ o. Bye bye.